Hello fabulous people. Today I put a poll on Twitter. No, I did not put a poll on Twitter. I put a poll on Instagram yesterday asking if anyone wanted to see a video on the new Dyson Airwrap. Got this baby yesterday and the poll had only one no vote and the rest were all yes, so we're doing a video. Now I really suck at curling my hair. My hair will not hold curls. It won't do much apart from straighten. So I have very straight hair when it's not mess. So we've got damp hair as per what it says, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So now I think by now most people would have seen the crazy video of the curling section grabbing the hair and wrapping it around. That's why I wanted it. I thought it was cool. I saw that video the day it released and I was like, oh my god, amazing. Clicked on it to buy, saw the price of 700 Australian dollars and said, no thanks. But Michael, my partner, he went ahead and ordered it for me, which was lovely, and it arrived yesterday. Inside this big box, I got the complete one. Apparently you can get ones that are not the complete system, but I don't know. It's a huge box. Oh my god. Inside the box we have got this poo brown case. Not my tones, but I am very thankful for the fact that it comes in this case, so it's easy to store. Inside, ooh, crap, I'm knocking over my mirror here. Inside it's got this, I'm guessing this is a mat to rest it on as you're styling, not 100% sure. It has this instruction panel to show you how to curl, because I'm pretty sure the selling point of this is the curling wand portion of it. So that's what we're going to be filming the video on today. It's also got other sections. I'll briefly run over them, but I'm not going to be filming with them today. We're here for the curling wand. That's what I'm filming. Inside the box, the giant box. Let me see if I can hold this up for you. This is how it looks inside the box. So it's all pink and grey, gunmetal grey. So you've got the section that all the attachments go in, this doobalaki here. Then in it we have got a hairdryer attachment. This is, I'm taking it similar to their normal hairdryer. This looks a bit smaller though. I will quickly put that on in a minute and we will see how that goes. Grab the box so I can read what each thing is. This says it's a pre-styling dryer. A round volumizing brush, all need one of those in our lives. A firm smoothing brush. A soft smoothing brush, so the difference is this one has got the little pink knobby bits on the end. And then you have got the 40mm Airwrap barrels, which, so there's two, because okay, so there's two for each size because the air blows out in the direction of the arrow. So you're going to need one for like this side of your head, one for this side of your head. So they've got the 40mm one and then they've got a 30mm one. So this here is supposed to give you loose beach waves and this one here is supposed to give you tight ones. I'm going to use the tighter one today because considering my hair doesn't hold a curl, we'll see how the tighter ones go and if they drop. So let's have a quick look at the instructions here. Okay, so it tells you about the wand. You've got airflow on this side. You've got temperature control on this side. And you've got power on and off with cold shot. So I'm pretty sure at the end of the styling you are supposed to do the cold shot to set it in place. And there's no instructions on what to actually do with it. Thanks, Dyson. So we're just going to wing it and hope for the best. So I'm going to try out the little hairdryer attachment first. There we go. Okay, so that's on. Let's see how powerful this thing is, because the Dyson hairdryers are supposed to be amazing. Ooh. Oh, that way. I've put it on backwards. Already we've stuffed up. Who knew? I thought the pretty pink side was the side that comes out of... Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh, that's not bad. That's a pretty, not bad for like a travel size sort of air dryer. Now we're going to take what we're here for, the curling ones. So we're going to attach this one on. Yep, we're on. They're very easy to attach. And I'm going to take a front section of my hair. My hair is damp. I washed it last night, which is probably going to be a mistake because the fact that my hair just hates me. Okay, now we're going to turn this bad boy on. Ah! It's doing it! Is that the way you turn it? No, I'm going the wrong way. Ooh, ooh. The air burns your scalp. Oh. How long are you supposed to leave it there for? It says until dry. Burns your scalp. How do you get it not to do your scalp? Well, that's better. You sort of got to hold it off your head quite a bit. I'm going to cool shot it. Cool shot! Okay, and now we're going to release. Okay, we're going to try again. We're going to turn it on again. And go on, wrap around. That didn't do it. Okay, we're going to do the front. It's very light. I do like the fact that it's light. It's not heavy like... Woof, woof! Let's take another hair. Come on, wrap around, wrap around. It's half wrapped around. Cool shot it. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's a cool shot. Okay, so that's what we've got with that one. I'm going to change the head. So it says it's hot. I agree, it's hot to touch, so you need to use this bit. So you just click the unlock. Oh, pops right off. Okay, we're going to change it and we're going to go there. Whoop! Bird's nest. It's pretty cool how it does it. Get around there. I will say you do not seem to have to leave it on very long for it to do this, but it does get super hot against your head, so be warned. That cool shot is like everything. It really stops your scalp from burning, but you need to hold it a fair bit away. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward now as I do my whole hair, and we'll be back at the end to see how it all goes. I'm feeling like right at this second I'm looking like the lion from The Wizard of Oz. So I'm just gonna separate some of these. Look at me. Woo! Okay, well I have to say that that is actually the quickest and easiest that I have ever curled my hair. So I will say this, when I started I was a bit like unsure. Just want to point out, you have the habit of twisting it because that's what we're used to with hair curlers, and you saw me do that at the start. I'm just going to take another section and I'll show you. This one. What you want to do is hold it, help it around, and then just move it up. You don't want to be twisting it, it doesn't help in any way. So you don't have to twist it at all. I don't think the curls are going to hold, but that is my hair. My hair will not hold a curl, and it probably doesn't even help that I washed it last night. I'm going to keep playing with it though, and I'll let you know in the future how it goes. But from first impressions of it, I actually really like it, and I hate to say it because $700 is a lot of money. If you don't have that sort of money, it's not something that I would say is essential, and apparently you can buy not the full kit. So the curlers I think are really nice. I found it really easy. It's a really lightweight wand, which is great because usually hair straight curlers, my arms are usually really sore by the end of trying to curl my hair. I found this easy. I've got one of those curlers that's like a big section here and it sucks your hair into it to curl it. It works again on my hair, however, my hair gets really tangled up inside it and it stops it working, so I have to constantly like pull it out, untangle the hair, put it back in. Whereas this, it's not tangling at all. It's really easy to use. The only negative I have for it is that it burns the shit out of your scalp. It is like holding a hairdryer this close to your head, and that's how the feeling, like that hot heat burning feeling. The only way to sort of relieve that is to keep moving it just slightly around so it's not staying on the one spot. So I'm going to keep playing around with it, but so far I think it's really worth the money. I'm also going to have a play with the brush attachments and let you know how they go as well. But so far, the Airwrap, hells yes, I recommend it 100%. I hope you liked this video, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!